From high atop Healthcare Hill in Central Maryland, this is BSN Headline News. Today's top story is Dr. Sam Ross is selected as being one of modern healthcare's top 25 minority executives in healthcare for 2012. Dr. Sam Ross is CEO for Secours Baltimore Health System and market leader for Secours Kentucky Health System. Modern Healthcare's Top 25 Minority Executives in Healthcare Award recognizes and celebrates a powerful group of minorities who demonstrate outstanding leadership, dedication, and the ability to successfully affect change in healthcare. Dr. Ross joined BSHSI in 2006 when the Baltimore system was ailing due to poor utilization of services, escalating healthcare costs, and operational issues. Dr. Ross was tasked with turning the hospital around, reviving and deepening community relations and services, and expanding access to quality care. Dr. Ross tackled this challenge with extraordinary zeal, creativity, and incisive skills honed over the course of his long career as a national healthcare executive. He embraced and broadened Secours' long-standing community-based approach, Community Works, which includes HIV/AIDS services, education, maternal child health resources, senior care, green initiatives, and several other community development programs. In addition to bringing conceptual clarity and new cohesiveness to Secours Baltimore's community engagement activities, Dr. Ross has led the development of its new vision, an initiative designed to expand access and use of primary care, prevention, and wellness services. You can read the complete story in the April 9th edition of Modern Healthcare. Please join us in congratulating Dr. Sam Ross, recipient of the 2012 Modern Healthcare's Top 25 Minority Executives in Healthcare Award. In other news, April is Cultural Awareness Month at BSHSI, and across the system, Secours employees are embracing diversity. Last week we talked a little bit about how Secours defines diversity and inclusion. This week, we'd like to share with you the vision of the BSHSI Diversity and Inclusion Governance Steering Committee as published in April 2012. By the year 2015, Secours will be recognized nationally as an authentically inclusive organization that embraces and values the unique gifts, traditions, and perspective of diverse individuals in accord with the mission and values of Secours and our identity as a Catholic healthcare ministry. Secours will demonstrate a culture of inclusion of all we serve and with whom we serve for every interaction and transaction. Secours welcomes all people without regard to faith or culture who support a Catholic approach to healthcare. Next week, we will share with you some of the activities that have been taking place across the system in recognition of Cultural Awareness Month and talk a little bit about our diversity and inclusion journey. You can find out more about diversity and inclusion and Cultural Awareness Month on IRIS. From the BSHSI Welcome page, go to the Department's drop-down list and click Human Resources. Then, look for the Diversity and Inclusion link on the Human Resources navigation bar. You can also search for the term diversity. Finally, here's a quick heads up for Earth Day. This year, Earth Day falls on Sunday, that's April 22nd, 2012. Earth Day is a day designed to inspire awareness and appreciation for the Earth's environment. Designating the first day of spring to be Earth Day was first sanctioned in a proclamation by the United Nations in 1970. For Secours, going green is being built into the fabric of our day-to-day operations. Indeed, Secours Health System has deepened its understanding of its healing mission to see all people and creation as connected. This awareness calls us to solidarity with our sisters and brothers near and far, and to sustainable ecological stewardship. Look for details on Earth Day celebrations at your local system. At the HSO, the celebration takes place on Friday, April the 20th. Watch for details on the HSO Daily Link. Well, that's it for this week. Stay tuned to this portal for future up-to-the-minute information on these and other stories on BSN Headline News. I'm Dave Schlachter. Thanks for joining us. BSN Headline News is a production of Secours Productions and is solely responsible for its content.